Now you can proceed to the presentation. Yes.
Okay. Now continue the presentation. Here we have the when we click here, the browser will open. You can attach single file or multiple, or can attach the multiple files. When you apply the leaf, here it is the attachment. How it is showing like that. You can also delete before the before apply the leaf. You can delete from here, from this box. After apply, you cannot delete or you cannot edit any record, any attachment. So
Okay. Now, how the leaf attachment will be shown in the leaf detail screen.
Okay. After apply the leaf, you can view the attachments in the leaf detail screen. Also, not the employee, his supervisors also can view the attachments. Here is the attachment panel. You can view the attachments. Basically, this is the leaf. Here you can see the attachment. We have provided you here the attachment viewer. You can click on the attachment. Here the attachment viewer is open like that. Also, you can download this attachment by from here.
Just save file. If you want to download, then you will have to choose the save file.
Save file. Sure.
Save file. Just save. You can no need further comment. Okay.
Yes, you can save the.
Now download it. Right.
Now this you can view the file in your system. Also, you can download the system file here. This is the basically the new attachment.
Also, you can see. I think this is the left arrow, right arrow.
Yes.
In the same window, you can see the next attachment.
Next. But in the last system will show you the message. This is the last image, and when you going to the first, this is system will show this is the first message.
After this is blinking, you have
no. Basically, I have click several times. That's why it is showing multiple
transition.
Yes. This is the second big feature we have provided in the ESS module, the attachment in the leave module. Also, we have two small features in the OSP, Office Support Portal. In the salary deputation information.
You did not write in your presentation what the feature you are providing in the Office Support Portal.
Yes, there is no Office Support Portal. There is no.
In the presentation, you did not write anything.
Yes, we did not write anything. Yes. Basically, there is that two.
So you did not do the presentation regarding your features you have defined. In the presentation, what?
In the presentation, we have mentioned.
Okay, proceed to the next slide.
Yes. Deputation information, basically, not the Office Support Portal. Here we provided the paid status in the icon form. If any amount has paid to the employee by the finance, here it is showing the paid status like this. If it is not paid, it is showing like the cross button in red color.
And Mr. As we have provided the amount paid checkbox in the deputation
in the SCM side. Yes.
So if this will be checked in the deputation screen,
yes,
then it will be considered that amount is paid, and user will be able to see in the ESS side that this amount is paid to him or not.
Obviously, yes. Just like this, and this is showing the paid status. Same like that deputation screen, we have the overtime information screen. Also, same paid status information will be shown here in the overtime screen. When in the SCM side, if the user check the amount paid, system will show here the right status.
Only related with the overtime which is out of payroll.
Yes, which is out of payroll. This is only related with the out of payroll.
Any overtime will be paid out of payroll through the overtime payment screen. And there we also have provided the amount paid checkbox in the SCM side. So if this will be checked, system will show the information that your amount is already paid.
Yes. In the last, we have the leave, some customization in the leave workflow. The new feature we have provided. Suppose if
one slide you have, I think, communication and archiving.
No, this is the 21. Communication is the 21st.
This slide, next slide.
This is the next slide.
Okay.
We have the new feature in the leave workflow. Suppose any supervisor is in between the workflow level, and he is working as a forward leave of any employee, and some employees he is working and he is set as the final approval. Then without given the rights the approval of to him, he can approve the leaves of those employees whom he set as the final approval for those employees. This is the basically new feature we have provided in the system. The last one is the communication system. In communication system, we have provided the new feature about archive module, archive folder. In the inbox we have many in the list we have provided the messages. You can archive any message what you want. But
now we have given the facility to the user that user can archive any message.
Yes.
For example, if user is not interested to see this message long, so user can, and also not interested to take the action on this message.
Yes.
So just it is very easy to mark archive for this message.
Yes.
So there are two possibilities to mark archive: bulk archive or single message archive. Yes. We will describe that how to mark the single message archive.
Yes. In the inbox, we have two messages. You can mark as a single or as a bulk. When you press the mark archive, system will show the message. Then all these messages are going into the archive folder. Now you can see all those messages are archived. Or one thing more, you cannot forward these messages to other to the user.
Now this message will be as a
yes.
all action will be closed.
Yes, all action will be closed. Just you can see the messages as a display. If you want to move in the inbox again, you can select and unarchive. System will show the message. Then this message will be shown again in the inbox. Now you can forward this message or anything else you can want. This is the new feature we have provided in the communication system also.
Individually mark archive.
Yes, you can also mark individually.
No need to check this. No need to check this. If you are looking this message, then and you are interested to mark, then this button, mark archive button. Yes. If you will press, then message will be archived, single message.
Yes, this. Now these are the ESS new features we have provided in here.
There was another feature that if you read a message, its color will be and background will be changed.
Not the color. Basically, this if any new message, it is showing in bold, and when you click on any message, it is showing in unbold.
But some messages. Okay. So read messages and unread messages. Now we are showing in this bold and unbold. Bold the form of bold and unbold. Okay.
But there was envelope. Envelope will be open and it will be closed.
Where is the envelope open and close?
Sorry.
Envelope open and close.
Go in inbox first. Go
Where
in
is
inbox? Check the inbox.
archive. This is archive.
Where is the envelope?
I think envelope.
I think
icon is not showing properly.
1 minute. I think we will have to check. Maybe icons are not loading. Control F5 I pressed. No.
We have the envelope icon here with the
also
message.
we are showing if message will be read by the end user, the open envelope will be shown, and if not read, then the close envelope will be shown.
Yes, it is
But-
showing, but here
But
the
picture
icon
is not showing. There is
picture.
problem. I think we will have to see this. Okay. Next.
Yes, I think it is completed the ESS whole customization what we have provided in the new release. Thank you.
ESS side.
This is the ESS side.
Also, there are more small features or
I think it is completed.
There was a
There is
editor.
another feature in the editor. You can highlight and you can make different colors.
yes, editor feature you also have provided.
Yes.
Why you
No,
have
Make new message.
Basically, we have not provided the complete editor here. It is just one small thing we have provided. I will show.
But also there are some more slides also available. We did not describe. Have you? Login slide and other slides. In your presentation, there are more slides.
Yeah, related to the mobile application.
It is related to
In the same
mobile.
presentation, there are
Last
many
slide,
slides.
last slide.
Okay.
Here we provided in the editor slide previously the text color and the background color is not available. So we have provided these two new features in the editor.
Also,
Was this available in communication system as well?
In the communication system,
Yes, it is available in communication system also.
New
Go
message.
new, click on new.
Check new message.
yes, here you can also see the text messages and text color and bold color feature we have provided.
Okay. Now ESS features we have described. We have described all the features. Also, there are many fixation we have done, but there is less time. We cannot define. You can see the release notes our team has released. Now we will move forward to the mobile application. Mobile application. Mr. Mubashir, available here? Mubashir.
Yes.
Okay. So you have a presentation. You have remote control from our side.
May I share my screen?
Okay. We are stopping our screen, and you can share your screen. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Ikram, at the meeting, will describe the ending sentences.
May I start?
Oh yeah, you may start.
First of all, we have provided the registration method as discussed earlier. Before we are using IMEI to mark our attendance or register the user device. Now we have provided UUID. We are calling this device ID. Okay, UUID is not familiar. User is not familiar with UUID. That's why we said it device ID. So desired identifier can be registered to SmartHCM. Then system will use that identifier to check in or check out for that user. Okay. I'm showing to you. This is the user I have logged in. Okay. I'm marking the attendance. And this time it is using IMEI because I have registered IMEI for this user. Okay. And from here I can get my device ID and IMEI and other related information about device like device name, OS version. Okay. I have registered IMEI for this user. Now I am registering device ID. Then I show you. This is my device ID for the device. I have registered. And now when I press the check-in, it is giving the message of IMI is not registered. It is that because I have not changed my registration method here. Okay, it is system is considering the UUID as IMEI and is not matching. I am changing it to device ID.
So what's the need to define this registration method? We can just make it IMI or UUID. Anything you can do it without just mentioning that what is it.
What are you saying?
Why we are just mentioning that it is IMI or device ID? System itself knows that what is it. So if we register IMI or UID, we can just add and we can check in and check out. Why we need to mention?
This is for recognizing the identifier.
Sorry?
This is for this is to identify to system that which ID is it. It is IMI or device ID.
Mr. Osman is saying, what is the need to describe that system has to recognize by this device ID or IMI. System automatically should recognize by itself. If the user has registered with the IMI or device ID, system automatically.
If the user has registered both identifiers, device ID and IMEI, then how will system identify that from which ID should I check first?
We have already selected set the criteria that first it will see UID. If it fails, then it will go for IMI.
But how will system know that this is UUID or IMEI? If we didn't set this parameter, then how will system identify?
System should send the IMI and device ID both to the HCM.
Yes. Yes,
it is. And a system should try first with the device ID. If recognized, then system should give the signal to the mobile application, okay, it is okay, you can mark the checking. But if not recognized, then system should try to next method automatically the IMI. If system is successful, then system should mark the attendance. If not, then system should send a message to the user, you are not registered. I think it is okay. Why we have not?
I think in future we can update it in a similar way that you don't need to mention is it IMI or is UID. You just match it. If it is matching, you make success. If not, you.
Okay, we can.
Okay. Okay. Now it's okay. No problem.
Now we will register in HCM side.
HCM side, Mr.
For HCM side, iScreen is available for this.
No, I mean,
already have shown
the number. So, is there any checkbox in the system that we will be marking this check? Either it is EMI number or it is device ID?
Yes, there is a combo. We have provided a combo for this.
Okay.
Okay. This is done. The other feature we have provided is alternative employee. Same as it is provided earlier in ESS. When forwarding leave to next supervisor, we have to provide alternate employee for the employee which is going to leave. Okay.
Correct.
We can see this here. This is my approvals. Okay. This is the alternative. Okay, it is suggesting me the employees.
I have to put the employee number, not the name, or name also I can put.
Both. It is showing both. We can set it according to our need.
My name also I can.
Now it is showing both employee ID and employee name and searching from both.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
If I try to enter the same employee, I am forwarding the leave, so it will accept. For example, Mr. Kamran Ahmed Beg.
Yes, it will accept because it is not restricting in ESS2.
But this is the problem, I think.
Um,
Kamran Bhai?
What the question you asked? I did not hear. Please, can you repeat again?
Oh, I'm saying, for example, this leave for you, for Kamran Ahmed Beg. So as alternative,
I am a supervisor.
yeah. If I choose the same employee as the alternative employee as well, system is accepting.
System will accept. Yes. Okay.
But this is not yani.
this is the problem Mr. Salman is saying.
Achha, okay. So currently this combo box is up to the user. Okay, and we have opened this openly. This user will mark the wrong, then system will give this is the same alternative employee. So this is open. No validation is available.
No, that's it. I'm saying.
Also same in the ESS. Also,
No, this is I'm saying, and even in the ESS, if I'm forwarding the leave for some employee, and I'm by mistake I am selecting the alternative employee. So this is there should be a validation that I should not be able to select this employee.
no problem. If for example mistakenly you want to ask 3 days leave, but mistakenly you ask the 4 days leave, what would you do? After submit, you can do anything. No, you will ask. You will call to your supervisor and you will ask, please, my leave. I want only 3 leave. So same thing you can ask the supervisor. The supervisor can ask the next supervisor. Mistakenly, I have choose the wrong employee in the alternative employee. You can change. If not, no problem. HR can cancel the leave and leave can be applied again. There are many methods. No problem.
No, I think this validation is not available right now, so we should consider this for future. But this validation should be there, that if I'm forwarding the leave for some employee, I should not be able to select him as an alternative employee.
No. Actually, there is no big deal, and actually there is no problem. Same type of problem you will see in the application. I think thousands of problems you will see this type of. This is not.
No, I'm telling you, for the future we can, because this is the validation. This is required validation, and people will raise the question here. So we should consider this one. We should put it in our roadmap or whatever.
No problem. No issue. You can put this issue and many issues in the Google Sheet already available.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay, Mubashir, you can continue.
Okay. So I forward this. Okay, he has no next supervisor there. Okay, next feature is we have provided leave attachments in mobile app too. Same as we have provided in ESS and HCM that leave attachments can be viewed. So we can view on mobile too. Here we go. They are the attachments. Okay. There are 3 attachments to this leave, and it is showing here. Okay.
So it is showing in the actual size, or we can.
Yes, it is showing in actual size.
We can move here or left or right. Can we move to see the attachment? If attachment is high resolution image, how we will see in the small screen. Can we move image right to left, left to right, up to down, down to up with the hand mouse icon?
Yes, yes. No, it is not available right now. We can provide this too.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And the next feature is password change detection and throw user outside of it. And a user is logging to mobile app and his password is changed from the HCM. Then what should be done? The user is should be log out from the app because its password change and no data can be shown to him. Okay. I am changing his password from the SmartHCM. This is my SmartHCM. And this is the user which is logging on mobile app. Okay, I have changed his password. It is giving a message that looks like you have been logged out. And when I pressed on OK, it will throw me out of it. And I can log in here again with the new password.
Okay. Okay.
It's working fine.
Okay, good.
The next feature is this.
Chinese.
We have provided translation for this language too in the current version. And next feature is device information page. I have showed earlier the device information page where the both device identifier and
Any change
Chinese language?
Why we introduce Chinese language UI?
Because now China is coming to Pakistan. But can we see
CPAC.
no.
The main reason is CPAC.
No, what is the difference between the Chinese language and other languages? Because already we have a right to left and left to right. Both side conversion we have available.
No, I think Chinese is top
yes,
to down.
there is no big difference. That's why I have not highlighted this point and not described in detail. I have just read this
But
point.
we actually translated the application and provided in the.
Yes, we have translated and we can translate in
That it is also working
various languages.
other languages.
Is
Big
it
sir,
available
do
in
we have-
Chinese? Is it available
we
in
have- Big sir, do we have multiple languages in ESS as well?
Yes, of course. All languages we have. Which
All languages in ESS.
ESS, SCM, both sides.
2 languages at a time.
2 languages at a time.
2 languages or more than 2?
It seems like we have
More than 2 languages we have
It's a size. We have architecture of multiple language, but we can give in the future if we will need multiple language. Currently, we have 2 languages in the ESS side.
No problem. Can we see the Chinese language on mobile app?
Yes, of course.
Actually, we have we can left, right, and one right to left language. Also, we can transfer in the Urdu.
Yes, we can translate in
No,
various
in Urdu
languages.
it's already available.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What next?
We can change the language. Yeah.
But I think language name should become in the actual language. How a person will know that which
Wow.
language. If
Yes.
Chinese will log in, how he will know that it is Chinese?
Agreed.
Correct.
Yes, it is showing.
Yes.
No.
No.
Here
Getting
it
the
should
correct
show
one.
actual. Arabic should be
Now,
Arabic.
what is Urdu in
Okay. I
How I will know which one Arabic now?
Where is English and where is
One by
Urdu?
one.
Now I'm stuck because I don't know the Chinese and I want to convert in the English. It is very difficult.
We have to remember the index right now.
I think
No, Kamal bhai, if you can reach to the setting, it means you can even differentiate between these languages.
yes, I will have to reset the data. I think. Okay, it's okay. Good. And now Mr. Mubashir also stuck. How to change the English language?
Chinese language is very like.
I think Mubashir is learning Chinese nowadays.
Yeah, even people are learning Chinese nowadays because
Okay.
they are leaving English behind.
Actually, in bulk.
Okay, we have discussed all the functional features that we have provided in the release.
Good.
Now we will discuss the technical features that we have provided.
Okay.
This is the
Related with the performance or security or other area?
yes, related to performance and related to security.
Good. Okay.
We have introduced the new login method that no one can log in from the browser or web service directly other than mobile. User can only log in from the mobile. This is because on the login we are doing various tasks such as push notifications, registration to the server, and other tasks. So if someone will register from the web browser or web service, then these tasks cannot be performed because it is performing from the mobile app. So we have restricted user to log in from the mobile app only. Okay.
If I will access the web service link directly from the browser.
Yes, you cannot log in.
What give me the
you cannot log in from there.
The web service will not ask the username and password from me. Only mobile app
it will ask the password, but when will you provide it to the password, then server will give you the message of unauthorized access.
What about other things like mobile attendance? It's also accessing the web service.
Yes, it is. We have done this for login right now.
Oh, okay, login. Okay.
We have done in the past for attendance too. Attendance cannot be done from the web service directly.
Okay.
Okay. And we have introduced new logout method for the password change. I have described the feature.
Yes. In case of change password from the
yes. So we have introduced new logout method that one can log out even without the password. Okay. And we have done battery optimization too. Previously, the GPS is running along the app. All the time the app is running, GPS is also running.
Okay.
Now we have changed it to when check-in and check-out is pressed, then GPS will run only that time. And when the attendance is marked, then GPS will be off. Okay, so app will consume less battery than the past. So these are the features we have introduced in the mobile.
Okay, good.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, who will be the next for mobile attendance loading?
No, attendance uploading utility, Mr. Habib will say about this.
Okay. Mubashir, you done or you have something else?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
I am
so
stopping my screen to share.
Okay.
Screen share.
Meeting finish?
No, sir.
No, there is
one more thing is pending attendance loading. Yes, here we have provided the new feature in the attendance loading, which is directly fetch the data from the machine or directly read the data from the machine. New mechanism we have provided. Also, we have provided the grid panel in like the name machine base in the uploading utility, where we define the IP and the time from which time you get the data. It will show also the last successful run in the attendance.
Previously, we had only one method in the machine attendance utility, which was the directly file getting from file transferring to the SmartHCM.
Previously, only the file fetching.
And now we have provided directly fetching the attendance data from the machine. Which machine currently we are giving the that CO machines. These models we have integrated. These machine models. So system now integrate these machines directly and provide the data to the SCM. Real time integration we have provided. How we provided, Mr. Habib? Can you show the live demonstration for this?
Here it is available. The attendance loading.
Yeah, we can.
Check here.
76.
No, 76. So, yeah, MSC.
Remote access.
Where is the
Remote access.
Down.
You can search MSTSC.
Remote access. Which?
the password?
Okay. This is the attendance uploading utility. We have provided the new tab, machine tab.
Yeah, this is old one. That from this one we upload the file. Now we provide the new functionality from which we directly connected with the machines. Here we can manage the different location machine on one screen.
Mr. Amir, I think using daily, Mr. Amir also can describe it. Because daily, Mr. Amir using this utility. They are live in the higher.
Basically, previously we provided the feature for file-based uploading or integration with HCM. Many of our clients, they asked us for the file-based. There are some issues. If someone remove the file, then we cannot get the data. Maybe the file size is huge, then we cannot get the data. Maybe the file generated the data and it is not according to the template, then we cannot get that data. So we provided to get the data directly from the machine. In this feature, every machine has its, on the network, it has a IP. We define IP in our utility, and there is an interval in which time, and now this interval can be defined in minutes. So if we want this machine active, that interval and the active, it will be run on the same interval. And if we don't want to get this data from this IP, we can uncheck the active flag. Now all the IPs we can define in this grid, which is called machine-based grid. Once we define all the IPs and the interval, system automatically check all the IPs and get the data and record the time which the system last access that machine. And after that interval, that machine also again get the data, the last uploaded time. It check the last uploaded time and then get the data from that time to current time, and again log the data on record fetch up to column. The same, this column is showing that this machine last time, which time and date it get the data. So last successful run machine time is showing in the last successful run column. If any machine has any bugs or